Hey, so before we get into this video, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and join my Discord, which will be linked down below. Are you into tech? Are you into fitness? If you're into both of them, then great, because I have an unboxing for you. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Fitbit Versa 2. Now, let's begin unboxing. Okay, so we got some tape here that we're going to peel off real quickly. This looks actually pretty easy because I don't see any tape on the top. We're going to file that tape off to the side and we're going to open it from the bottom like so. This pulls out. Oh, and we got some instruction manuals. We got everything falling out. We have the watch itself. It looks kind of like the Apple Watch, but it's not. I remember when I had the Galaxy Gear Live. It was Samsung's only Android Wear device. It was one of the first ones, and I got a lot of people asking me if it was the Apple Watch. And of course, when that watch came out at the time, that was when the Apple Watch had just been announced. So we're going to unpack this, and there you go. There's the watch in all its glory. We're going to file that off here. Let's take a look and see what else we got inside this box. Okay, so here we have another strap, just in case this one breaks, or the stock one breaks. Looks like we have Fitbit's proprietary charging brick. I expect it to be somewhat proprietary. It looks like it, when you unwrap it, let's see, where does this unwrap from? Okay, here. So, looks like we have USB, micro USB. And by the looks of it, it would clip in kind of like that, but you would have the watch strap open so that this way it could charge, and then you take it out. I think I accidentally powered it on. So there's that. There's this instruction manual. And so that's what it looks like when it powers on. You see the Fitbit logo. So in the coming days, I will have a review, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. As you know, I did a video on the fitness tech that I use, so I'm not gonna update that video, but the fitness tech itself is going to be updated, the tech that I use. Hey, you made it all the way till the end of the video. Congratulations! Now, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Press that notification bell if you want to know when I upload as well. Also, be sure to join the Discord down below, where we'll be talking about sports, talking about YouTube, talking about tech, talking about whatever. It'll be linked up down below, and also follow my Twitter, which is linked down below as well. And I'll talk to you again in the next one. See ya!